Hi girls and boys, today we are learning the k sound. K for kite, k for kite. So we are going to spread our hand like a kite and pretend to fly it in the air. K, k, k. Well done. And now we're going to look at the formation. So get your magic finger. We are going to go down kit, up and around the kite, and down its tail. Down kit, up and around the kite, and down its tail. Let's turn it over. We are going to go down kit, up and around the kite, and down its tail. Go down kit, up and around the kite, and down its tail. Well done. Now let's try the song. We all love to fly our kites, fly our kites. We all love to fly our kites up in the sky.